Hey man, it's Smooth Henry 392. So I'm actually driving Slime Pack car. She gave me the keys. I don't even know the keys at. She didn't took the keys. But look, we just started the car up. So we about to get up out of here. We about to go to the gas station. We about to get a little active a little bit. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Keep all hands and feet in the vehicle. Make sure your seatbelts are on because we is out. Hold on now. Yeah, I like that sound. Ooh. See, she gonna make me straight pipe my car, y'all, but I don't know. I like it. I like the pops. Yeah, you can come on through, boss man. Come on through. I really need to get this strip though. I look good. I don't know how she see through the window louvers back there, but we not gonna talk about it. Dang. She would tell me to go get her some gas when doggone everybody and their mama trying to get off work. All right, cool. She making me want to get it. She making me want to get it. I'm gonna have to ask her what she did again. Cause I think she said she straight piped it all the way through. And I'm in sport mode, so it's making it even more louder. Y'all, she making me fall in love with the Widebody even more. Dang, come on now. All right, calm down, baby, calm down. Sheesh, I'm just lightly trying to touch the gas. It want to take off. But that concludes. We at the gas station, so we gonna get gas. Gonna get this 93 octane. Oh, what was it? E85 flex fuel. Now I'm just playing. 93 octane. We gonna rock out. Hey man, we back from filling the car up. It took 42. She must not have been on E, but you know, 42. She take long drives. But hey man, safety first. Seatbelts on. Hands and feet in the vehicle because we about to go fast. Okay, all right, cool. So we in custom mode. I do have the windows in the back seat down, so y'all can hear the exhaust work. We might get on the highway a little bit. I don't know yet. We might roll through the streets of Fayetteville. But I hope y'all make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to slimepack_392. Make sure you guys go get your merch at slime.store. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Smooth Henry _392. Cause it's only up for the both of us. You know the vibes. It's only one way up. And we gonna do that. We gonna make it do what it do. Oh, and I got an open lane too. Everybody looking, they like, oh, it's a fast car, looking nice. Looks like Slime Pack. She got her little YouTube right here. She thinks she cool. She thinks she doing something, y'all. But hey man, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all leave a green emoji. Y'all know the green emoji, the heart emoji, because that's her favorite emoji that she like going with. I don't know why, but green. What is green? I don't know. But hey. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. That sound is so satisfying. Like it's immaculate. Using my big words. Hold on now. Dang, I had people letting up their windows. What y'all think? Y'all should think I should do mine like slimes, or I should keep it like how I'm gonna keep it? Cause slimes is loud, but it's aggressive, so I like it. it's very aggressive, and it gives it that. But I'm definitely smelling something, but we're not gonna talk about it. I can smell it. She got her cats done or something. I'm not gonna talk about it, but hey, I can definitely smell the fumes. But hey, this doggone pedal box. I just like the pops. When I hear it pop, that's satisfying to me. But Slime doing her thing. I wish it was nighttime because she has a tough underglow kit, and I need to get in contact with her because that underglow kit is kind of tough. I'm trying to do that to my car. I'm trying to add some different mods to it. I know her neighbors be hating her when she wake up in the morning. Oh, well, she work at night, so she good. But they know when she coming home. They like, yep, they go Slime. She coming home. Hear her from a mile away. I know y'all seen that Instagram post talking about you in her DMs, but her family hear me from a mile away. That's how Slime is. The whole family knows Slime around the corner. So I just threw it in track mode, and I can definitely tell another difference. Hold on, we gotta make sure who we got behind us. We got some fans that look like I don't want to get Slime in trouble, so I'm gonna cruise out. Yo, this is definitely. I could definitely hear Slime from a mile away. Definitely with all this exhaust work, her car sounds the best. Like out of all cars that I ain't driven, with all scat packs, like I'll probably say hers is up there with definitely with long two pedals. Cause I mean it's not my car, so I ain't gonna drive it like that, but still I like it. Adjust her seat, but my back kind of hurting, y'all. She kind of short, y'all know. I don't know how people be driving like this. How people drive like this? I don't know why, but people be 10 and 2. I remember when I first did my first driving test, I thought I was gonna have to do 10 and 2. I had the coolest instructor. She said, let's see, get out of here. But 10 and 2, I was like, nah, I definitely know I'm about to fail this test. But she was like, you can drive like you gonna normally drive. I said, really? She said, yes. I said, oh, yes. Say no more. I just put gas in this girl's car. I'm about to run it all out. in the morning, my neighbors would hate me. My neighbors would absolutely hate me. He just got his car. He still got a 30-day tags on. Yo.
Watch the light. Watch the light. Watch the light.
Hey, we up here got fans. Oh yeah, nah, yeah. It's 35 back here. But hey, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video because it's been a pleasure to make it. Sound like a Drake intro. But this video is definitely gonna drop real soon. So make sure y'all go tune in to this video of my reaction of driving Slime Pack's car, a 2021 Widebody Scatpack Charger. The one and only Slime Pack herself. This doggone thing messing with me. But make sure y'all go like, share, comment, subscribe to slimepack_392. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, share with smoothhemi_392 on both Instagrams as well, same as YouTube's. Cause we only going up. Y'all know the vibes, man. We do this all the time. Slime and smooth. It's a movement. We gonna start. I told her we need to make a collab for real, and just start just going crazy. But make sure y'all go like this video.